Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Jikoni Yangu, where we do simple and amazing recipes at the comfort of your home. Yes, at the comfort of your home. My name is Sebi for those who are new to this channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscription button. Subscribe and support a sister. And if you've subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for always showing your support, always tuning in and watching my videos. It really keeps me going. So make sure you watch the video till the end. In today's video, guys, I'm going to teach you guys on how to make your wet fry fish at the comfort of your home. Yes, so let's make sure we watch the video till the end. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Let's do this. Let's get into the video without further. So our process begins from here, where I put little water in my pan and I boiled my fish for a few minutes so that I can be able to defrost, to soften it and also defrost it juu ilikuwa bado ngumu kidogo. And also that's a quick tip that I have given you if you've had your fish in the fridge for quite some time. The stock, you put it aside. Since the flavors are still inside there, we're going to need the stock, so put them aside. I used 3 tomatoes and 1.5 onions. Here is our coriander. I used 1 coriander. I used 3 carrots and grated them. Here we have 1 teaspoon of salt. We have 1 tablespoon of Royco and 1 chili cube, guys. So this is an overview of all the ingredients that you need to make this wet fry fish. Very delicious. Please try it out. And we also have a jug of blender. We are going to blend our tomatoes together with the carrots. So here I come. I'm putting my carrots inside my jug. Then we're going to add our tomatoes inside it. Yes, guys, remember we want to blend everything. We are going to make just a simple wet fry fish. And that is that. Lazima ninge make sure kila kitu iko hapo ndani. Yeah. So let's go and blend them. Before you blend, just add your stock inside it. Just put a substantial amount. Now let's blend it. And this is the outcome, guys. Ooh, we're about to make this fish. Excited. So add little oil into your pan, and then you start by adding your onions. And make sure your onions cook well till translucent. So at this point, if you haven't liked the video, please like so far if you like what you're seeing. Comment down below if you can. Let's continue to mix our onions. Onions plays a very big role in our meals. Onions ndo inaletanga ile ladha. Like if you've ever cooked something and you've noticed, like onions is the thing. There's just something about onions inside our food. So at this point, we're going to add our salt. Most part of my cooking, I usually love to add my salt at this point. And then mix it all together with the onions. Make sure you pour all the salt. Remember, guys, it was 1 teaspoon of salt that I measured. Yes, mix and mix till translucent, like I said earlier on. So at this stage, I think we are ready to go in with the tomatoes. So here comes our tomato. There we go. add all the tomato. Ooh, I love the color, I love the smell, I love everything about these tomatoes right now. So at this point, the next thing we're going to do is add our chili cube, the one chili cube that I showed you guys in the ingredient section, and also we are going to add our 1 tablespoon of Royco inside our mixture. Now we want to stir it very well and also ensure that our tomatoes become thick. We don't want soup, it's a wet fry. So si supu pia lakini ni wet fry, like our tomatoes have to be thick. So we are going to stir it for some time. Yeah, yes, now this is it. It has already cooked for some time. Now at this point, let's add our coriander to flavor up the taste, to take our taste buds to another level. Just stir a little bit and stir. Keep on adding the remaining ones. Then stir. I can begin to see that our tomatoes are starting to become thick the way I like it. Yes, guys. Yes. Stir it. And at this point, we're just going to let it cook on low heat. Low heat, guys. Low to medium heat, and then cover it for some time. Now we've come back after 4 minutes, and this is what we have. We have it very thick, and at this point I'm going to place my fish like so inside the stew, and then try to cover my fish because we need the flavors, we need the flavors. I'm super excited about this fish. Make sure you try out this recipe. Amazing. Yes, now we are going to cover our fish for 5 minutes and let it cook on the lowest heat as possible. Let it simmer. So cover it for 5 minutes. Low heat, guys, low heat. Now we are back after 5 minutes and our fish is all ready. Ooh, you can see it. So if you've liked the video, please give this video a thumbs up. Remember to comment down below. I would love to know what recipes you guys would love to see on this channel. And yeah, and that is that. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed and you like what you see. Subscribe to more recipes, and bye.